Do you want to mute Instagram stories? You can mute someone's Instagram story with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To mute all Instagram stories at once. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. At the top of your feed, you'll see the story circles of the accounts you follow. Scroll through to locate the account whose stories you want to mute. Once found, tap and hold your finger on the profile picture or story circle of the account. A menu will pop up with several options like View Profile or Mute. From the pop-up menu, tap on Mute. A pop-up dialog will appear with two options, Mute Stories and Mute Stories and Posts. Select your desired option. If you select Mute Stories, only their stories will be muted. If you select Mute Stories and Posts, both their stories and feed posts will be muted.